My name is Nikraj. I am back to tell you what I learned in last few days. In last few days, I learned the subject zoology, the unit of life. In this chapter, I learned what is cell membrane, the difference between eukaryotic prokaryotic cell, what is enzyme, what is protein, and the definition of biomolecules. What are biomolecules? I also learned the detailed structure of prokaryotic cell. In a prokaryotic cell, there are many components. The outer layer is glycocalyx. After that, there is cell wall. After cell membrane, inside cell membrane, there are many organelles, ribosomes, inclusion bodies, and the surface structure include villi, fimbriae, and flagella. And the membrane is also modified into two organelles, mesosomes and chromatophore. Inside cell there is a nucleus and another structured chromosomal DNA is plasmid. And all what I learned is the detailed structure of eukaryotic cell. What is detailed structure of eukaryotic cell? Let's see. Detailed structure includes cell wall, cell membrane. Cell wall is present in fungi and plants, not in animal cells. After that, the cell includes cell includes after that cell includes organelles, mitochondria, ribosomes, plastids, vacuoles, vesicles, and endoplasmic reticulum, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, and also nucleolus. Nucleus contain histones, protein, and outside the eukaryotic cell there is not much structure like bacterial cell, that is prokaryotic cell. That's what I learned in last few days. I also learned the detailed structure of each component of eukaryotic cell, that is cell wall, cell membrane, glycocalyx, glyco, glycocalyx of a bacterial cell, and that's all what I learned. We see I we will see you in next video. Thank you for watching. Let's learn together.